Artila's Matrix-800 Secure Edge AI Linux Industrial Gateway Computer. Hello engineers, developers, and friends. Welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and on this episode of DevKit Weekly, I'm coming to you live from Embedded World 2026, which is probably in the past, but don't worry about that. Time travel is not our subject today. Now, in this episode of DevKit Weekly Live, I am here in our DevZone from Embedded World. Now, this thing is really powerful for the edge. It's got tons of interesting ports and setups. There's Ethernet. We've got all of our various setups, and this thing is just chock full of features for you to do. It's got an NXP i.MX 93 dual-core ARM Cortex, NPU with end-to-end tooling for edge AI inference, advanced security, PQC, gigabit Ethernet, and tons of other stuff here. So you'll want to check that out. All the links are going to be down in the description. And Artila is showcasing this and a lot more here at Embedded World, so make sure you check them out too. Thank you so much for joining me on this very special live episode of DevKit Weekly. I know it's quick. We're here at live at the show, and we're having a great time. Make sure that you've liked and subscribed for all of our episodes of DevKit Weekly and all our shows here on YouTube. And make sure you hit that notifications bell so you never miss a new premiere. In the meantime, thank you so much for joining me. I've been Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and your host here on DevKit Weekly. We'll see you all real soon.